What's going on again today, guys? Yeah, you know who it is. It's the Earl. Welcome to another episode of W. Earl's Products. And I hope everybody is safe and healthy and is getting out and enjoying some of this beautiful weather we're having, especially in upstate New York here. Today's product, we're going to look at the Vremi VREMI 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. Now, I had a similar product. I owned a similar product back 4 or 5 years ago, and it definitely stands up to its reputation. It maintains a 4-star overall rating, and in my personal experience, it was a 5-star. My little machine was a 6,000, a little different. It was a 6,000 BTU, but it was a very similar machine, and it lasted me for almost 5 years. So it's definitely worth the money that you're going to spend. The air conditioner cools rooms up to 200 to 300 square feet. The price is now $349.99, $349.99. That price is subject to change since we are dealing with Amazon here. Like I said, it maintains a 4-star overall rating, and according to the stats that I've looked at, that has been a 4-star rating since 2016. So that's amazing that it's lasted almost 5 years. So that rating. The powerful air conditioner. This is a powerful air conditioner. It definitely gives you the capability of not having a central air system in your home. You can have it in your home, your office. The machine, like I said, cools up to 350 square feet in your house. This unit is designed to be installed in standard windows with a horizontal opening. The program control panel is a high quality, designed for comfort. It features easy LED display, includes a compact remote control to easily set time, temperature, speed, mode from across the room. It's 24-hour adjustable timer, can cool a room to a temperature between 64 degrees and 90 degrees, and has 4 modes to choose from: cool, fan, dry, and sleep. Mine had 4 as well too, and it definitely, once again, it definitely stands up to its reputation. It's hassle-free installation. It has wheels. It can basically be put into any window. I know we have smaller windows in our living room, and the unit that I had fit basically, you don't fit the unit in the room, but you fit the hose into the unit, and then you close your window on top of the hose. But they give you a fixed little unit there to fix your hose into. It's another piece, and it's so convenient. And it definitely is worth promoting. This product definitely worth promoting, and that's why we're promoting it today. It contains a washable dual-layer air filter, which is easy to clean. Basically, take it out, throw it in your wash machine, dry it, and you're done. It extends the life of the unit, and basically provides clean, filtered, air-conditioned air that we all need, especially during the hot time of summer. It weighs 52.8 pounds. The size is 16.5 by 12.2 by 27.6 inches. It's 115 volts and 1200 watts. So once again, I thank you for listening. If you like my videos, please subscribe and like them, so we can get the word out about W. Earl's products, and basically what our goal here is to advertise and market and promote products that Amazon is featuring, and this is one of the products that appealed to me today, and so that's why I picked it. Once again, thank you for your time. I hope you're healthy. I hope you're safe. Love your families and your children, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.